字眼本身係冇威力嘅，個威力在於接收者係聽嗰個人賦予威力落去嗰啲字。大家好，又翻嚟啦，我係 John， 我係心理及情感教練啊。咁我哋咧嚟緊會有啲好好嘅消息俾大家喎。咁我哋嚟緊會有一個劇集嘅，就係一個叫做情感的禁區。咁咩嚟嘅呢？咁我就會邀請我身邊嘅朋友啦，或者係觀眾，有啲人都想上嚟都可以嘅。咁我哋呢就會係做一個好似一個真嘅心理輔導嘅環節，咁係會錄影嘅，而係會俾翻大家睇。咁呢個有咩用呢？就係想俾大家睇下，其實究竟一個心理輔導或者用一個心理嘅教練嘅情況底下，係點樣去令到有啲人嘅一啲情緒困擾啊，可以跳翻出嚟咁樣，咁係可以俾到大家睇到一啲好細微嘅位，令到大家咧嘅學習咧可以更加之豐富嘅。好，而我哋今日咧就係想睇下，究竟點解有一啲情侶夫妻係不斷鬧交嘅？可以係同一件事不斷鬧交，可以係唔同嘅瑣碎事件都不斷鬧交，可以鬧到係哇，可能係邊個洗碗啊，邊個係抌垃圾啊，都可以講到分手咁樣嘅。咁而我係有一啲 client 咧，係因為呢啲情況而係要講到分手或者係離婚等等，咁係嚟去揾我係有呢啲狀況嘅。咁而我今日係想用呢一段片，係一個荷里活片嘅，叫 The Breakup。咁應該有啲人都會認得個女明星啊，男女明星都認得嘅應該。咁但係最緊要係個女明星好出名啦，就係 Jennifer Aniston。咁佢就係我哋唔會成套睇噶啦，我哋只係睇呢一個佢哋嗌交嗰個位嘅啫。咁佢哋啱啱發生咩事咧？就係即係啱啱開完個 party 啊，有啲朋友嚟到啊等等。咁我哋就睇下其實發生咩事，點解佢哋會無端端好似少少事都可以變做嗌交嘅咧？係啦，咁我哋就會做一個詳細分析，繼而再教大家其實應該點樣去做翻啱。
Well, I'm gonna go do the dishes.
Cool.
It'd be nice if you help me.
No problem. We'll get them a little bit later. I'm just gonna get this.
送完啲朋友走啦，咁個女仔就翻嚟就覺得話我會洗碗，佢就話即係個男仔就喺度打緊機，咁啊哦好啊好啊，你洗碗咯咁樣。咁佢話如果你可以一齊幫我嘅話咧，會更好。
Be quiet for a little bit. Get some. Get some. Get some. That's what happens. And we will. We can clean the dishes tomorrow.
You know, I don't like waking up to a dirty kitchen.
Who cares?
個男仔就唔想咯。係個男士唔想而家洗碗，佢想打機；而個女士係好想而家即刻洗碗，去有一個乾淨嘅廚房。咁其實呢度咧已經有一啲意見分歧開始咗噶啦。
I care, all right? I care. I busted my ass all day cleaning this house and then cooking that meal, and I worked today. It would be nice if you said thank you and helped me with the dishes.
就係佢講到話，喂，其實我 care 個，我好想個廚房係好乾淨嘅。喂，大佬，我今日做咗成日嘢啊，我又煮咗成日飯啊。喂，其實你係可以答謝我嘅。如果你可以用你嘅行為嚟去代表你話，我哋一齊去洗碗啦，其實我就會好開心啦，等等。
Fine. I'll help you do the damn dishes.
好。
嗱，跟住呢度大家見到啦，佢隻眼上一上去，即係有少少鄙視嘅眼光，好啦好啦，跟住就劈嗰個打機嘅遊戲機手掣即係呢啲咧就係話緊俾對方聽其實我係好唔滿意你嘅呢一刻。
Oh, come on. You know what? No, that's not what I want.
You just said that you want me to help you do the dishes.
I want you to want to do the dishes.
Why would I want to do dishes?
就係好精彩啦！佢話你唔使啦，你唔需要幫我洗碗啦，唔使啦。佢話咁你話叫我洗碗啊？我話我係想你想去洗碗，係你自動自覺想去洗碗，而唔係我叫你想你先做。係啦，咁個男仔就話：點解我會想洗碗啊？我幾時會想洗碗？我從來都唔會想洗碗㗎。
That you're upset because I don't have a strong desire to clean dishes?
No, I'm upset because you don't have a strong desire to offer to do the dishes.
I just did.
After I asked you.
正常普遍嘅狀態就係咁啊，係個女士咧係好想個男士首先唔係男女嘅嘢嚟嘅呢個，即係唔一定係嘅，男士都會咁諗嘅。但係呢一個情況就係個女士好想個男士自動自覺主動地去話我想 我同你一齊去洗碗，而個男士係好明顯係好理性地分析啊，邏輯分析就話我唔想洗碗，咁但係你叫我洗，我咪洗咯咁樣。其實佢哋而家開始嗌交咧，其實由頭到尾都唔係同洗碗有關，洗碗只係一個表徵，係一個表徵嚟嘅，係啦。其實佢哋內裏係有其他嘢喺度棘住佢哋。
Jesus, Brooke, you're acting crazy again.
Don't you call me crazy. I am not crazy.
I didn't call you crazy.
Just
I didn't
did.
call you crazy. No, I didn't.
就突然間就講到話，哇！你係好瘋癲啊 ，crazy 你好瘋癲啊。跟住呢個字咧就令到 Jennifer Aniston 個女仔就覺得，喂，你唔好話我癲婆啊，你唔好咁講啊。佢即刻哇再上升嗱，大家見到慢慢由一開始少少慢慢上升㗎，係咪？
One very simple thing to bring me 12 lemons, and you brought me 3.
Damn it. If I knew that it was going to be this much trouble, I would have brought home 24 lemons. Even 100 lemons. I know what I wish?
又變到係講其他嘢，就話哇，我哋有個要檸檬啊，如果你有檸檬嘅話，俾我幾好啊！我叫你俾12個俾我，跟住你俾3個俾我，跟住我話喂，如果檸檬我知道係咁重要嘅，我會俾24個俾你，我俾好多個俾你啊，係咪？跟住即係話由佢哋嘅即係洗碗變到係檸檬啦，而家。
I wish everyone that was at that goddamn table had their own little private bag of lemons.
Gary,
Honest
it's not
to God.
about the lemons.
Well, that's all you're talking about.
I'm just saying it'd be nice if you did things that I asked. It would be even nicer if you did things without me having to ask you.
係好嘅，如果我叫你做你就做，呢個係好嘅，但係係會更加好啊！如果我係唔需要同你講，你已經做啊。
I do seem to remember doing something for you this morning without you asking.
Gary, come on.
I'm
You know what?
serious.
No,
Come
I'm
here.
serious.
I am
I-
too.
個男士咧係嘗試用一個幽默感，又係暗示就話，咁今朝即係我哋嘅性生活啊、上床啊咁樣，你都冇叫我都就咁做啦，你都幾開心啊！佢嘗試用一個幽默嘅角度嚟去化解呢一刻，但係個女士唔收貨，撥開佢唔收貨。
Working today, and I made that meal, and you could have thought to yourself, you could have said, I think I'm going to get Brooke some flowers.
You said on our very first date that you don't like flowers, that they're a waste of money.
Every girl likes flowers, Gary.
Jennifer Aniston 又話：喂，即係其實今日啊，準備咗咁多嘢啊，咁樣咁其實你都可以，即係佢窒咗一窒嘅。佢話其實你可以不如送啲花俾自己老婆啦、自己太太啦，咁樣或者係女朋友啦。我唔清晰佢哋而家呢個狀態係咩。咁其實佢窒咗一窒嘅。嗱，大家留意到啊，佢窒咗少少，佢話其實呢個係佢講緊佢自己心入邊嘅一啲期望喺度，係佢想而佢講唔出，佢諗緊應唔應該講，佢諗緊如果我講嘅時候咧，會唔會暴露咗我心入邊嘅諗法，會唔會令到我呢一刻好似一個弱者咁樣咧？如果我講一個話，我想收花喎，同埋我講完之後，我驚喎，佢會唔會唔做咧？我講完佢都唔做咧，我咪更驚。所以而家咧，佢暴露完自己真實入邊嘅諗法之後咧，佢依然係繼續嬲噶。因為嬲係一個我發火係一個自我保護嚟噶嘛，兩個人都係自我保護緊噶而家。咁而個男士就話：喂，你第一次好理性嘅係咪？即係大家會見到呢啲溝通模式喺度即係佢哋係不斷轉換話題啦跟住而家又好理性啦，就話。喂，你第一次同我約會嘅時候，你話你唔中意花，跟住個女仔話所有女人都中意花噶啦，大佬。
You don't like flowers. I'm supposed to take that to mean that you do like flowers?
No, this is not about, you're not.
跟住個男仔就話：喂，大佬啊，我點知啫？咁即係你話你唔中意，我就應該知道睇得穿係你中意花嘅。
You're not getting it. You're not getting this, Gary. Okay, it's not about the lemons. It's not about the flowers. It's not about the dishes. It's just about, how many times do I have to drop hints about the ballet?
You know I can't stay. Brooke, come here. We talked about the damn.
個女士係知咩事嘅，個女仔係自己知道心入邊有啲嘢喺度。OK， 但係佢又講話要洗碗啦，又講話要買檸檬啦，又講下即係送花啦，而家又講到話。即係睇芭蕾舞啊嗰啲嘢啦，咁樣其實佢知道呢啲係表面嘅嘢，唔係最緊要嘅，但係佢哋就不斷喺度轉換話題，喺度抄晒以前所有嘅嘢， 一路咁樣對出嚟。
Go to a damn ballet.
It's not about you loving the ballet, Gary. It's about the person that you love loves the ballet, and you wanting to spend time with that person.
Not when they're at the ballet.
個女仔又係講得好好啊！佢話唔係個芭蕾舞嗰樣嘢啊，係你愛嘅人中意睇芭蕾舞啊，而你係肯唔肯去使少錢同時間去一齊陪你愛嘅人去睇呢個芭蕾舞啊？
Okay, forget the ballet. Forget the ballet. We don't go anywhere together.
We just went to Ann Arbor together.
嗱呢度又講話，喂，我哋完全都唔去旅行嘅，跟住我話我哋啱先去咗旅行啫喎。
To Ann Arbor, to the Michigan Notre Dame game. You think screaming drunk kids and leprechauns doing backflips, that's fun. That's fun for me. Come on, man. I did that for you. How do you show up for me?
喂，佢話喂，我為咗你而去喎，大佬，我根本都唔中意呢啲嘢嘅，咁你會點啊？我為你而去，咁你會做啲乜嘢啊？
For me.
I'm up on the bus every goddamn day for
Come
you.
on, you.
I'm
嗱呢度開始咧，嗱頭先個男士咧只係大聲啲去講自己嘅論點啫，而家佢就真係嬲啦。嗱頭先個女士一直都係嬲緊嘅，慢慢上去嬲嘅，但係你而家個男士咧真係嬲啦。OK， 大家見到嘅，即係佢話喂，我每一天啊都要搭巴士去返工，就係為咗你啊，係咪？我就係為咗你啊，即係點解會咁樣咧？因為個女士嘅說話。之前全部都冇 hit 中佢入邊嘅痛點，佢嘅最脆弱嗰個位係啱啱呢一句，令到佢覺得喂，原來你睇唔到我愛你㗎，佢就好嬲啦，佢突然間佢自己都要爆啦。
busting my ass to be the best tour guide in the damn city so I can make enough money to support both of us, and hopefully you won't have to work one day.
I want to work.
All I ask, Brooke, is that you show a little bit of appreciation, that I just get 20 minutes to relax.
即係喺我工作上邊，我係想成為一個最好嘅一個導遊啊，所以令到我哋可以唔需要即係令到淨係我返工啫，你唔需要返工啦咁樣。跟住個女仔話：我係想做嘢嘅，我想返工嘅。嗱，大家會見到嗰個期望嘅唔同啊，即係一個係我係想你可以喺屋企冇所謂。個女仔話：我唔需要呢啲嘢，我需要其他嘢啦。不過
When I come home, instead of being attacked with questions and nag the whole damn time.
You think that I nag you?
That's all you do! All
又係另外一句嗱，個女仔都係嬲緊嘅，但係因為個 nag 嗰個字啊。即係你揞我啊，你餓我啊呢個字 nag 呢個字，一下即刻令到個女仔再嬲啲。嗱呢個字點解會咁？我估啦嚇，我唔知道呢個角色入邊嘅真係諗法係乜嘢啦，但我估呢個字咧係令到佢覺得好似係一啲好冇樂趣啊、冇吸引力啊，好似媽媽啊嗰類型嘅角色咁嘅人，而佢就會覺得喂呢個字係即係剔起咗我條筋喎。喂，我唔係你阿媽嚟喎，我唔想做你阿媽，我唔想做一個係冇喺你眼中冇吸引力啊，冇性慾嘅人喎，咁樣我唔想咁樣，所以佢突然間即刻嬲噶，你會見到係一個字咧，即刻 trigger 咗，即刻剔起咗條筋，即刻變咗嬲咗。
All you do is nag me. The bathroom's a mess. Your belt doesn't match. Hey, Gary, you should probably go work out. Nothing I ever do is ever good enough.
呢度又到個男士咧，超級嬲啦，係咪？佢又話啊呢個廁所又點啊，我條皮帶又點啊，我所有做嘅嘢都唔夠好嘅，即係喺你眼中都係唔夠好，你淨係識得我嘅啫，將以前所有嘢都搬晒出嚟，去講晒出嚟。
I just want to be left the hell alone.
只係想我自己一個人靜靜地咋。
Really? Is that what you want, Gary?
呢個係一個好典型嘅場景嚟嘅。少少事。OK， 明可能係即係同啲朋友去即係開完個 party 之後啊，咁跟住就要洗碗，一洗碗就講到其他嘢，跟住就突然間嬲啦，一個想一個唔想，因為大家嬲就搬晒所有嘢出嚟。其實發生緊乜事呢？其實就係雙方都覺得對方好似唔夠愛自己啫嘛，但係其實雙方好明顯佢哋係愛對方嘅，只不過係佢嘅方式表達係對方收唔到啫。咁嗱。呢個就係各位觀眾睇到嚟呢度嘅，你會諗下，其實我哋表達愛係咪得一種方法嘅呢？即係我好努力返工賺錢為咗你，係咪得一個方法？唔一定噶嘛， 係咪？咁如果你話我已經好攰啦，已經冇精力去用其他方法嚟去表達我嘅愛啦，譬如買花咁樣，咁咪諗辦法點樣去減壓咯，或者係可能係休息多啲咯，因為你係好即係你會用好多方法嚟去表達，但係對方只係收到譬如2個方法嘅，或者1個方法嘅，譬如對方係要你送花嘅，肯為佢做嘢嘅，攬住佢錫嘅呢啲，咁但係你係覺得唔係啊，我係努力做嘢嘅，我係俾錢你用嘅咁樣，咁呢個對方收唔到嗱，最緊要唔係話佢冇做到啊，係對方收唔到啊。如果對方收唔到嘅，咁係咪愛呢？係啦，唔係叫你唔做，咁當然要繼續返工啦，當然要繼續賺錢啦，要養大家啦，要養家啦，當然要咁樣做啦。但係你都想做多少少，其實係一種包裝嚟啫嘛，係歪少少嘅角度。你話我一路返工我都有諗你所以我可以即係買扎花送俾你或者我好攰而家，但係我都想攬住你錫我好攰係，但係因為我都覺得你係想我洗碗嘅，咁我洗碗等等呢啲係一種包裝嚟啫嘛，係咪？咁而另外一樣嘢啦，嗱，即係睇到呢度咧，大家都會見到有幾個場景就係1個字令到對方會爆發嘅，係咪？譬如個 nag 嗰個字哇，即係你話我呢樣嘢，或者係做任何嘢都冇用冇所謂即係嗰啲或者係芭蕾舞嗰啲咁嘅嘢，或者你全部嘢你都唔去同我去旅行嗰啲字眼咧，一下就爆發嘅。其實嗰啲嘢咧，發生咩事就係嗰啲字眼本身係冇威力嘅。大家要記住，嗰啲字眼本身係冇威力嘅，個威力在於接收者係聽嗰個人賦予威力落去嗰啲字眼嗰度，唔係講嗰個人有威力嘅。係啦，大家要記住譬如一個好強嘅領導人、國家領導人總統邊個都好，佢講啲嘢好似好有威力咧，唔係佢講得有威力，係聽嗰個人。接收嗰個人賦予佢嘅威力，係啦，所以同一句說話唔會所有人都啱聽噶，或者係同一句說話唔同人講咧，又有唔同嘅威力喺度，係啦，呢度而個威力點樣嚟啊？譬如 nag 呢個字或者係你唔陪我去地方呢個字呢啲嘢嘅，就係佢哋以前嘅經歷啦。佢哋可能係一啲原生家庭嘅經歷佢哋以前嘅一啲唔好嘅，可能一啲創傷唔開心嘅經歷等等，入咗去我哋嘅記憶身體神經系統入邊，令到我哋好敏感。人呢係有好多呢啲感覺嘅，好敏感一聽到好似頭先嗰個話，你淨係我呢個字呢，可能佢以前聽過好多次。係一個好差、好負面嘅情況底下係聽過嘅，可能係譬如係佢嘅屋企人入邊話佢阿媽等等嗰啲，或者係佢阿爸話佢阿媽等等或者係以前佢男朋友話過佢等等，令到佢呢個字咧個記憶喺個身體入邊，一聽到嘅時候咧，佢唔係即刻爆噶，佢係入邊一定係有啲感覺，個身體有感覺浮出嚟。跟住佢知道自己要嬲啦，爆出嚟。但係呢個太快啦，一般人嚟講呢個反應係太快。你一聽到你爆呢，半秒都冇，係咪？半秒都冇嘅情況底下，但係其實有感覺㗎，係咪？有個感覺，而嗰樣嘢呢，有個學術嘅詞語嘅，我哋係叫做意感。意識個意，感覺個感，叫意感。如果你感覺到佢其實佢浮緊上嚟嗰樣嘢咧，嗰個就係嗰個意感，個嬲嗰個意感啦。可能喺個肚嗰度，胸口爆緊上嚟嗰樣嘢。咁其實呢啲情況點樣去解決翻呢？嗱，我哋可以話，譬如我要同佢哋做呢個婚姻輔導可以嘅。咁咪教翻原來我要表達翻我自己心入邊嘅諗法。期望、渴望等等，呢個可以教技巧係冇問題嘅，即係佢哋係講翻其實唔係叫佢做啲乜嘢，叫佢做呢樣做嗰樣，唔係咁樣咯，而係講翻話其實係我會想你咁樣，如果你咁樣嘅話呢，係我本人會覺得 有呢個好快樂嘅感覺，或者係好被愛嘅感覺，或者好被照顧啊，好被看見嘅感覺等等，就唔係要指責對方，係講緊自己。係乜嘢都係我嘅，即係呢啲係屬於我嘅，就唔係話你冇做就係你唔好，係只係我覺得如果你有做到呢，我會覺得好被照顧啊，好被愛等等。嗱，呢啲係一啲話術嘅技巧，但係喺我嘅做輔導過程入邊呢，教呢啲嘢係唔足夠。個原因就係因為佢只可以喺我面前做到。如果我淨係教技巧啊，佢喺我面前，因為我睇住佢哋啊嘛，佢咪喺我面前做到咯。但係當佢哋喺屋企咧，好難即時做到嘅。點解啊？因為呢啲係算係一啲新嘅技能啊，呢啲話術新嘅技能、新嘅技巧，而且仲要兩個人，佢哋缺乏練習嘅時候咧，係冇辦法可以做到噶，係冇辦法可以做到呢啲嘢。所以一嬲嘅時候咧，又爆發啦。咁而佢哋咧，只可以初期見我嘅人咧。一定係咁噶啦，初期只可以做到事後反思，跟住做翻我叫佢做嘅嘢，已經好好啦。其實，但係之後如果你話要快啲嘅，要再進級，要點樣可以做到呢？就係學習去留意身體感覺，即係嗰種意感啦。其實呢個技巧呢，就係叫做 focusing， 香港呢，我哋就叫做生命自覺嘅，係啦，有一個生命自覺嘅協會，而內地呢，就叫做聚焦。係啦，咁聚焦就好似聚落去身體一個感覺咁樣啦。呢個 focusing 嘅技巧咧，就係當係可以同其他嗰啲溝通技巧啊混合埋一齊用嘅，就係話，哇，當我嬲嘅時候爆緊上嚟，停一停，留意下自己身體感覺先。哇，真係浮緊上嚟喎。我係咪一定要講呢句說話咧？我一講呢句說話就收唔翻㗎，我係咪要講咧？唔一定喎。原來我停一停咧，係可以有其他嘅選擇，我就唔需要講啦。咁我可能會後悔噶嘛，我就可以唔講咯。我可以唔講，我可以講其他嘢，我可以岌頭，我可以行一行開都得。嗱，如果大家係學識咗點樣去接觸自己身體感覺嗰種意感，嗰種停一停嘅技巧嘅話呢，好多可能性就出現啦。咁跟住我再一教大家嘅嗰啲溝通技巧啊，咁我就會見到我啲求助者咧快上手好多嘅，因為佢係真係喺呢刻啊嘛，佢臨在喺呢刻，而佢唔係話我諗緊你鬧我嘅嘢啊，定係諗緊我哋將來點啊，佢係喺呢一刻嘅。咁所以呢度就係想話，唔係淨係用技巧話術嚟去點樣去進步嘅關係，而係要意識翻自己當下發生緊嘅事。呢個字點解咁影響我呢？咁嗱，咁可能有啲觀眾就會覺得，喂 John， 喂0.3秒到嘅啫，都唔知有冇嗰啲嘢，點樣可以注意到自己身體爆緊上嚟，突然間唔做啊？係可能嘅，而絕對有可能。其實係我都曾經試過呢啲情況，係真係做到嘅，但係要經過練習，要學習同練習咯，因為呢啲係技能嚟噶嘛，所有技能都要學完之後再練，同埋用一個乜嘢嘅心態去練，呢啲全部都係好緊要嘅。所以嗱，今日我哋呢條片呢就嚟到呢度。如果呢段片係幫到你嘅，你可以話俾我聽，喺 comment、like 同埋 share 出去，同埋 subscribe 我。同埋咧，如果大家因為之前嘅 comment 啊，都有啲人話，哎呀，我點可以溝通好啲啊？點可以陪伴到人哋好啲啊？或者係鬧交嘅時候應該點樣等等，全部都係同嗰種意感、嗰個 focusing 有關。如果你有興趣想知道多啲嘅，喺下邊條 link 嗰度 click 入去，話俾我哋聽。咁我嚟緊呢，其實係有堂嘅，係一個呢個唔係一個普通嘅堂，係一個深入好多嘅，唔係教你一啲話術啊理論，唔係咁樣嘅，係好多技巧、好多練習嘅嘢喺入邊嘅。咁嚟緊呢個課程呢，係有5個星期，係啦，有5個星期嘅練習同埋學習。咁而我只係收，我每一次呢，只係收最多10個人嘅啫，因為呢個係一個好深入嘅課程。咁我而家呢，係只係大概仲有3個位剩嘅啫。咁如果你係10月中就開始噶啦，係10月中開始。咁如果大家有興趣嘅，記住喺撳入去條 link 嗰度話俾我哋聽，咁我哋會有專人去聯絡翻你噶啦。咁如果你話冇興趣，不過想繼續睇片嘅，咁我哋就下一條片見你，拜拜。